Today we're going to learn about the new App Center in your Macan Electric. The App Center allows you to download apps into your PCM. Let's begin. First, select the App Center tile. Now here you can see we've already installed Spotify, but let's take a look at some of the other options. You have audiobooks, EV charging, food and travel, general, karaoke, music, news, and podcasts. A web browser for browsing the internet, sports and games, video and entertainment, and weather. So let's install a browser here, the Vivaldi browser. Select Install. It's going to tell you that it will increase your data volume. Hit Confirm, and we'll keep going down the list and install a few other things. There's a few games here. We'll install a racing game. YouTube. And we'll install some weather. Now we'll wait for those to install. Okay, now our apps are installed, so let's check them out. Go back to your home screen here, and they usually install the apps all the way to the right. So here you can see some of the apps that have been installed. Let's take a look at racing. As you can see, we're having a lot of fun here racing. And then once you're ready to leave your app, all you need to do is swipe in from the left and you can go back to the main menu. Let's take a look at YouTube. You can search by using the magnifying glass here. And there you go. You can see a wide variety of videos. You can also see weather here. To set up the weather, ask about privacy, hit continue, continue again, and allow weather to access the device location while using the app. Select OK. After you go back, it will pull up your local weather data. So do daily, hourly, and really important for those long trips, being able to see what kind of weather you're driving into. Finally, we have our browser here, our Vivaldi browser. Got a couple of setup prompts here. Select Continue. Set up Vivaldi as default if you would like. Set as default. And then we'll just go ahead and quick start. We will block trackers and ads. And there you go. You can search just like a normal browser. You now can install and use applications in your new Macan Electric.